Hi everyone. Today I'm going to flip through this Christmas Junk Journal book. This book available in my Etsy shop. Shop link you can find in the description box below. Let's start to look at what inside the book. First of all, I covered with red yarn. It's a Christmassy color, and this net is just for the decoration. And cover made with a thick hard cardboard and some charms and some little decoration on the front cover and this little angel charms and this cover, top of the cover, this is paper bag I cover with the book. It's very simple and it's easy to use. This binding method I use, not stitching the binding, I just use normal binding method, so you will can add more pages or more signatures into this book. First page inside I have tags. I made it this tags, and the pocket decorate with washi tape golden color, and this is wrapping paper I decorate with inside the cover. And this is another pocket. Pages, signatures starting with the thick hard stock and more decorating, and magazine papers, book pages, and more color papers, and more pockets, tea dye papers, more catalog paper, this one. And this is more empty book pages, you will find it, and some stickers, and some more book pages, you will see it, and magazine papers, the book pages. And this is A4 paper, some paper stripes, and this is the pocket, and this side is another pocket with the tag on it. And second signature start with another cardstock, blue color, and more magazine papers. This is in a big envelope. This is a pocket actually, you can add things into there. And more book papers and little Christmassy tags, and some color papers, empty pages, lots of empty pages, and some book pages, and some catalog pages. So many book pages, empty pages, and catalog pages, and magazine pages include in these books. You can see it. This is all dictionary book page. You can see more pockets and more tags. This tag I made with just a cereal box cardboard and some sticker paper, wrapping paper, and it's came beautifully. And this is a dictionary page, and this is another pocket, more magazine paper, more empty page, and the second signature end, and third signature start with another cardstock and with some stamping, pink color. There's another pocket and some more thick cardstock, decorative page, and so many empty pages. You can add whatever you want, or you can write. This is another pocket, and there's another bag. What else? This is a normal softy page, and this one is wrapping paper, piece of wrapping paper, piece of wrapping papers. It's look nice. And more empty pages, and the bag. There's so many pockets in these books, and book pages, empty pages, empty, and the third signature is end, and the fourth one start with another yellow cardstock and more magazine papers, empty pages, nice book pages, children book pages. This is a piece of paper my kids drawing about a planet, so I thought it's including giving nice texture to this book. And this is another page, secret pages kind of, and it's nice, and more pockets or more you can stick as a pocket, but I leave it empty without sticking, or the like a secret pages you can use as a secret pages too. This is a bigger envelope actually. I cut it for fit for this book size, and more my kids drawing, and more book page, stamping, more empty pages, magazine pages, and fourth signature finish with that. And the fifth one is start with another cardstock, more empty pages, and the other another red envelope. This is a pocket, you can use as a pocket, and more you can have space to write down things, and nice book page, and lots of book pages, and empty page, and then another piece of Sophie. It's nice, and the design is nice. It's giving like a little bit vintage looking like that, and piece of with the line on it, and more pages going and going, and more pages, and this one is actually another part of the pocket. And look, you can stick this one, I just leave it. There's a lots of space for you to write your journals in this book, and end up with nice golden washi tape. So that's it, all the 5 signatures are here, and I leave the one binding, what to say, is a yarn. So if you want to add another signature, you can insert into this, inside this yarn. This is a good with this binding method. It's not stitch. You can, if you don't like some papers, you can take it off. If you want to add more papers into these signatures, you can add it. So this is a good thing with this book, journal book. And sorry guys, I try to finish my video a little bit faster because I don't want to long video. This is why I started with speaking faster. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check my Etsy shop. This one is now available in my shop, and the shop link you can find in the description box below. That's it, everybody. I hope you enjoy this video, and you like this Christmas journal book. And this is my new YouTube channel. Hope you giving your best support to clicking the subscribe button and leave your valuable comment in below. And another episode with another junk journal book review or some other handcrafting video, you can find it in my channel soon. And so you click the bell icon so you get instant notification from my videos. Bye.